wish your vacuum could clean the house and babysit the dog? Well, we're not there yet, but these robot vacuums are pretty close. From dodging socks to scrubbing floors, cleaner than your conscience after a salad, these gadgets are about to make your cleaning routine more fun and easy. Let's dive in before they start demanding weekends off. First up, the Ecovacs Deebot T30S combo. If you're tired of switching between vacuums for your floors and handhelds for your walls, the T30S combo is here to make life easier. This dual-function device combines a smart robotic vacuum with a handheld vacuum, both sharing a bidirectional Omni station. The robot vacuum takes care of your floors, while the handheld gets those tricky vertical surfaces, offering an all-in-one cleaning solution. What makes the robot stand out is its true edge technology. The mop plate extends to maintain a constant 1 millimeter distance from walls and obstacles, giving you full coverage and spotless results. The continuous variable mop extender and 3D omnidirection perception sensors work together to reach every corner, ensuring 100% vacuum and mop coverage compared to older models. Another highlight is the Zero Tangle technology. The V-shaped roller brush with 21-degree flat bristles efficiently removes hair from the brush, while dual comb teeth arrays sweep hair directly into the suction port. This design keeps the brush tangle-free, maintaining high suction efficiency with minimal noise. The Deebot T30S combo is priced at $900. Next, we have the Ultenic MC1. This vacuum delivers powerful cleaning with its 5,000 PA suction, automatically increasing power to tackle dirt, pet hair, and debris embedded in carpets. The dual spinning mops scrub away dirt, leaving your floor spotless. The Ultenic MC1 is all about convenience. After each cleaning session, the station empties the dustbin and dries the mop pads, preventing mold and bad odors. You won't need to deal with dirt for up to 60 days. The robot's app allows multi-floor mapping, enabling it to memorize different floors, layouts, and customize cleaning preferences for each space. Voice commands add another layer of ease, letting you control the MC1 hands-free. Plus, once you log in, all family members can manage the device, making it a centralized cleaning solution for everyone. Operating at a quiet 62 decibel, the Ultenic MC1 comes with a $600 price tag. Now, let's talk about the Dreame X40 Ultra. This robot vacuum is designed to handle even the toughest messes, better than your high school janitor. It features side reach and robo-swing technology, which help it clean hard-to-reach areas effectively. The included accessory kit comes with a main brush, side brushes, dust collection bags, and wash-free mop pads, making it ready for any cleaning challenge. The X40 Ultra creates detailed 4-level maps, covering large areas and planning efficient cleaning routes. With rapid mapping and 360-degree home awareness, it cleans organized rows or targets specified areas as needed. The self-sufficient base station ensures hands-free operation, while precise route planning guarantees thorough cleaning every time. The Dreame X40 Ultra is priced at $1,100. Moving on to the Eufy Omni S1 Pro, a robot vacuum and mop that focuses on automation and convenience. It delivers 8,000 PA of suction power, making it effective on hard floors and low-profile carpets. Its square design allows it to clean corners more efficiently than round robots. The always clean mop spins at 170 RPM, applying high pressure to remove stains while being continuously cleaned by a dual water reservoir. When the S1 Pro detects carpet, it lifts the mop by 0.5 inches to prevent wetting the carpet. The 10-in-1 Uni-Clean station handles everything from self-emptying to mop washing and drying, water refilling, and detergent dispensing. It also features EcoClean Ozone for sanitization. Navigation is handled by a LiDAR system and 3D matrix eye sensor, ensuring precise obstacle avoidance. While it works pretty well on hard floors, it may struggle with thicker carpets. The Eufy Omni S1 Pro is available for $1,200. If these robot vacuums swept you off your feet, go ahead and sweep that like button too. Or should I say click? Yeah, just click the like button. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus offers power cleaning and advanced smart features. Priced at $900, it boasts 100% more suction than the Roomba I series, making it highly effective for deep cleaning. It performs exceptionally well in embedded sand pickup tests, showing its strength in tackling tough dirt. The J9 Plus uses iRobot OS and precision vision navigation to map your home up to 7 times faster, recognizing and avoiding obstacles like cords, pet waste, shoes, and socks. Its dirt detective system identifies high-traffic areas and prioritizes them during cleaning. The vacuum also increases suction when it detects dirt, ensuring thorough cleaning. The Roomba J9 Plus features a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes, an edge sweeping brush, and strong suction. It performs 2 cleaning passes to ensure complete coverage. The Clean-Base dock handles self-emptying, while advanced navigation keeps the robot moving in neat rows. It's compatible with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, and offers a runtime of up to 113 minutes. The Narwal Freo Z Ultra is packed with advanced features for a thorough cleaning experience. Launched in October 2024, it's available in the US and Australia for $1,300. This vacuum delivers an impressive 12,000 PA suction, making it one of the most powerful options on the market. It features dual RGB cameras and dual AI chips for precise navigation, allowing it to identify and avoid 120 types of obstacles. The AI Dirt Sense 2.0 system adjusts cleaning methods based on the type and amount of dirt detected, providing customized cleaning. The Relic's triangular scrubbing mop design includes an automatic lift and applies 12 newtons of downward mopping force for effective scrubbing. The base station handles mop washing and dynamic temperature control, hot air drying, and dust self-emptying for up to 120 days. It also operates quietly and features smart edge swinging technology for thorough corner cleaning. LiDAR Slam 4.0 ensures efficient mapping and navigation. Last but not least, we have the Roborock Qrevo Master. This high-end robot vacuum and mop combo offers advanced features at a more accessible price compared to Roborock's flagship models. It excels in both vacuuming and mopping, making it a strong competitor in the robot vacuum market. The Qrevo Master delivers 10,000 PA of suction power and offers a battery life of up to 180 minutes. Its dustbin holds 120 milliliters, and the station uses a 2.7-liter disposable bag. The spinning LiDAR navigation system, front camera, and 3D sensor provide precise mapping and obstacle detection. The flexi-arm design includes an auto-extended side brush and mop, improving edge cleaning. The automated station handles dustbin emptying, mop washing, and drying with hot water and air, and mop tank refilling. A sensor detects the dirtiness of mop water and triggers additional washing if needed. The mop pads lift 10 millimeters when carpets are detected. Small blades inside the brush cover automatically remove hair from the axles. The Hello Rocky Intelligent Voice Assist adds convenient voice control. The Roborock Qrevo Master is priced at $2,700. So there you have it, the best robot vacuums for 2025. Which one are you thinking of adding to your home? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.